everyone, welcome to this video, and today we are going to unbox the new Sony A9 Mark III. To those who are following my journey know that I'm on this trip called ATR, that is all tiger reserves, and I'm covering all the tiger reserves in the entire country in one go. And Sony was sweet enough to arrange a product delivery right in the middle of this trip. Now right now I'm in Jharkhand, right next to Palamu Tiger Reserve, and I can't wait to start using this camera from tomorrow. Also, after the unboxing, a detailed review and field test is definitely going to follow. So let's start opening the camera. Okay. Now we are taking the support of Red Panda because right in the middle of the jungle we hardly had anything else. The first piece of accessory over here is the cable protector. So basically this is so that your cables don't come out in a bouquet here and there. And simply if you are attaching your HDMI cable or Type-C, it can go through this and can kind of look a little more presentable and easy to use. After that, we have the power cable, and this is the regular Sony power cable that comes with all the cameras. So we're gonna keep everything over here and here. After that, the user manual is there, and then you have the warranty card and you have the warranty service coupon. I'm gonna keep it aside. Is a card telling which CF Express memory cards you can use and the recommended memory card. Let's check the real stuff now. Okay, so A9 Mark III strap. It's embroidered over here and kind of looks cool if you use this strap. I don't use it in wildlife because when we are using multiple bodies, the straps get entangled and then there is a major problem. So I'm gonna keep it aside. Not much of a use to me, but a cool thing, a cool accessory you can carry on with. Now the next thing is the charger over here. This is the same as all the other Sony cameras, and the best part about having the entire Sony kit is that the charger and the battery for A7S III, A7R5, or rather all the Sony cameras, A1, all are the same. And since I'm using multiple bodies, it's very convenient for me to carry a few chargers and not all the chargers. Okay, and now finally we have the body over here. Here is the real deal. Let's see. Oh wow. Kind of, Sony has actually changed the design a little bit. Here is the screen that comes out over here, and this is the same screen which is used in the A7R5. Of course, it's a great upgrade from A9 Mark II. I mean, everything has been drastically updated from A9 Mark II. And of course, it's slightly better than A1 also, because one problem that I've been facing in my ALPHA1 so far was the screen, the flip screen. So here you can rotate it like in any direction you can imagine. And this kind of screen helps a lot when we create some interesting compositions in the wild. So kudos that they decided to add this kind of a flip screen in A9 Mark III. Now another thing is the design from here has also been changed a little as compared to the other Alpha bodies. And of course the wheel over here, this is also changed slightly. The movement and the softness in the movement is improved. The click over here, the softness of this particular dial has been changed, the exposure compensation dial. And then you have the mode dial. Apart from that, the C5 button has also been added over here. So all in all, there has been a change in the design as well. Now I'm yet to use this camera, so I'm yet to tell you about how the camera performs and the various features that have been added in the camera. But for that, I'm gonna make a separate video. This was just an unboxing video to show you guys what all is there in the Sony ALPHA9 Mark III box. And we are left with one thing over here. Of course, the battery. So the battery is also the same as I told you. It's the usual lithium battery that we use, the FZ100 battery that we use in all the Sony cameras. So there you go. In the entire box, you have these things: the camera, the charger, the cable, the strap, the battery, and of course, some papers that you know are kind of useful as and when required. Alright, that was the unboxing video, guys, and I hope you join me for the next video where I tell you about A9 Mark III and give you a detailed review and the field test for the same.